Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming cellular data is active and you know the DNS addresses you'll use. Open Settings and tap Cellular. Make sure cellular data is toggled on. If you want encrypted DNS, download or enable a DNS over HTTPS or encrypted DNS app now from the App Store before changing anything. Once downloaded, keep the app ready and return to settings. These prerequisites prevent switching Wi-Fi settings accidentally and ensure you apply DNS specifically to the mobile network. Next, configure DNS for the cellular interface. iOS doesn't let you change carrier DNS in the standard cellular pane, so use an app that installs a DNS profile or sets a local VPN. Open the DNS app, choose the option to apply to cellular or system-wide, then add your DNS IPs like 1, 1, 1, 1, and 8, 8, 8, 8. Once the profile is installed or the VPN is active, iOS routes mobile DNS queries through that service. Make sure the app shows a connected status. Finally, verify the change by loading a few websites and using a DNS leak test site or app to confirm the DNS server. If pages don't resolve, force quit Safari, clear browsing data, and toggle cellular data off then on. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the DNS profile or app and reapply settings. Also check for installed VPNs or carrier restrictions that override DNS. If you still hit issues, contact the DNS app support or your carrier to confirm nothing is blocking custom mobile DNS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.